Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to re-enable hidden channel on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on Create a Channel. Click on Upload Picture. Select a photo on your computer and click Open. Crop the photo if you want and click Done. Leave the name field as it is because it will restore the previous channel name. Click on Create Channel. As you can see, our channel has been restored and all the channels we have subscribed earlier is also restored. If you go to About section of your channel, you can find the date the channel was created. This is how you can re-enable hidden channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.